In this video, you will see how to underline text in WPS Office. It's very easy. At the last, I will show you the keyboard shortcut. To underline in WPS, first you need to select the text using a mouse or a keyboard. And after highlighting the text, you will see here the option U with the underline. So you just have to click on the option and you will get the underline. But the interesting thing is the underline drop down. Just click on the small triangle next to the U with the underline and you will see different types of underlines here. For example, double line, or you can also add wavy line like this. And if you want to change the color of this underline, you can go to underline color option and select the underline color like this. And if you want even more underlines, then go to more underlines and you will see the preview here. Under the underline styles, you will be able to see even more types of underlines. Just select any one of your choice. You will see the preview and then click on OK. And in case if you want to remove the underline, you just have to select the text and then click on the U button with the underline to remove the underline. And at last, the keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+U on Windows and Command+U on Mac. Use the same shortcut to remove the underline as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office.